Notability is an app that allows you to take notes and annotate PDFs that will be provided free of charge to all Tampa Prep students. Redemption codes for the app will be emailed to students' Tampa Prep email accounts during the first week of school. To ensure that your work is backed up somewhere, we suggest that you synchronize Notability with your Google Drive, as it is not possible to back it up to iCloud at this time. There are two ways to access your Google Drive. One is via the internet, and the other is through the Google Drive app available through the App Store. You may access Google Drive via the internet by opening a browser window and opening Google at www.google.com. Click the Sign In button in the upper right corner of the page. Enter your Tampa Prep email address, such as smith.joe@tampaprep.org, and your password. Then click the blue Sign In button. A menu bar will appear in black in the upper left corner. Click on More and select Drive from the drop-down list. Once Google Drive opens in the browser window, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and be sure that Desktop, not Mobile, is selected where it says View Google Docs in the fine print. Create a new folder on the drive. Click the red Create button and select Folder. Type a name for the folder, such as Notability Docs, in the text box that pops up, and click the blue Create button. The new folder, called Notability Docs, should now appear in your folder list. Another way to quickly access Google Drive is by downloading and installing the Google Drive app from the App Store. Open the Google Drive app on your iPad and sign into Google using your Tampa Prep email if necessary. Create a new folder by clicking the plus sign in the upper right corner of the window. Select New Folder from the list that appears in the pop-up window that opens. Type in a name for your new folder, such as Notability Docs, and click Create. The new Notability Docs folder will now appear in the list of folders on your drive. After you have created the Notability Docs folder on your Google Drive, open the Notability app on your iPad. In the bottom right corner, tap the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. AutoSync is the first box listed, and it should say that it is disabled. Click on the box and it will open a new window. You should see a list of sync destinations, which include Dropbox, Google Drive, Box, WebDAV, and AutoSync off. Select Google Drive and sign in using your tampaprep.org email account. The next window that opens will ask you to allow access to Google. Select Allow Access. Next, you will need to pick a sync folder. Select the Notability Docs folder that you created earlier and click on the Sync to Google Drive button in the upper right-hand corner of the window. A new window will open that says that there is not any content to display. Click the Sync to Notability Docs button in the upper right-hand corner of the window. Next, you will need to choose the sync format. Select Note from the list, as this will open the document in Notability on the iPad. After you click on Note, the Choose a Sync Destination window will open again, and you should see that Google Drive has a check mark next to it. Click the blue Done button at the upper right-hand corner of the window. This will take you back to the full opening window in Notability, and you should see that it is auto-syncing. The status of the auto-sync will be displayed in the progress bar located at the bottom of the screen. Once auto-sync is completed, the progress bar will disappear, and you will see the message Auto-sync Finished in its place. The message will gradually fade away. You have now set up Notability to automatically sync to your Google Drive.